remove, please remove, please remove, please remove. Error succeed at administrator, administrator at admin. Please select at finger, press 1 at card, press 2 at password, please swipe card. Error succeed at administrator, press 1 delete administrator, press 2. Please select at finger, press 1 at card, press 2 at password, press 3. Please enter a new password. Please enter PIN. Error succeed at administrator, press 1 delete administrator, press 2 administrator setup, press 1 normal user setup, press 2 at normal user, press 1. Please select at normal user index at finger, press 1 at card, press 2 at password, press 3 at face, press 4. Please press finger. Please remove, please remove, please remove, please remove, please remove, please remove. Error succeed at normal user, press 1 delete normal user, press 2. Please select at finger, press 1 at card, press 2. Please swipe card. Error succeed at normal user, press 1 delete normal user, press 2 unlock mode, press 3. Please select at normal user at finger, press 1 at card, press 2 at password, press 3 at face, press 4. Please enter a new password. Please enter PIN. Error succeed at normal user, press 1 delete. Please select at finger, press 1 at card, press 2 at password, press 3 at face, press 4. Please look at the log. Please turn right, please turn left, please audio, please look up. Error succeed at normal user, press 1 delete normal user, press 2 unlock mode administrator setup, press 1 normal user setup, press 1 system setup, press 2 log setup, press 3 general setup, press 1 function setup, press 2 query records, press 3 factory reset, press 4 time and date, press 1 language setup, press 2 volume setup, press 3 general setup, press 1 function setup, press 2 price setup, press 1 body detection setup, press 2 delay log time, press 3 open hold time, press 4 general setup, press 1 function setup, press 2 query records, press 3 page up, press 2 general setup, press 1 function setup, press 2 query records, press 3 factory reset, press 4 confirm, press pound key cancel, press general user setup, press 1 system setup, press 2 log setup, press 3. Please enter the confirmation code. Direction reverse, press 1 power setup, press 2 turn back time, press 3. User exit menu. Unlocked. 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 Pre-locked. Please look at the log. Initializing. Please wait. Initialization succeed.